guys, today is wash day, so before I shampoo and deep condition my hair, I thought I would try out this paint wax. It's called hair coloring material and it is in orange. For those of you who don't know, I am a teacher. In 2020 I had a daughter, and with the pandemic and everything I ended up resigning, but my team and I were going to be the magic school bus for our big character parade that year. Oh my goodness, my daughter. And of course I was going to be Miss Frizzle for all the curly haired girls, and that just didn't happen. So I have this paint wax. I don't want it to expire, so I'm just going to use it today and see how this orange hair looks on me. I might even try out the whole Miss Frizzle outfit for y'all because I was so excited. So sad that it didn't happen. The best results for me is when my hair is completely drenched with water. I tried it on dry hair, I tried it on damp hair, and it really didn't do much. I use my shower comb to detangle my hair. I don't use my detangling brush just because I don't want the wax to get stuck in the bristles. So after it is thoroughly detangled, I drench my hair with water. I have low porosity hair, so as I'm spraying my hair, you can see all the little water droplets. And then I have to scrunch the water into my hair, because if not, that water will just sit right there on top of my hair. I do take a generous amount of the paint wax and I apply it onto my hair. If I need more, then I'll add more. I originally purchased this paint wax before I bleached my hair, so I wanted to see if it did anything with my brown hair, my new growth. I applied the product all the way up to my roots. It gives a whole lot of definition, but it doesn't have a crunch. Once the paint wax was applied all over, I pulled my hair up into a ponytail so that it could dry and stop transferring all over my clothes. And then I put that ponytail in a bun, and that gave me the Miss Frizzle look. Take chances, make mistakes, get messy.